to the Honorable Judge Hemi. He's probably the most hilarious federal magistrate you will come across, right? But we're proud that he's from Jamaica, right? Okay. Well, on behalf of the city of Miramar, as the mayor, my heart is bubbling with pride to see our people come together. Whether you live in Jamaica visiting or you are a proud diaspora living here in the city of Miramar in South Florida, I'm so proud to know that Jamaicans here in South Florida not only are a vibrant community, not only are servants in our community, not only are prosperous individuals in our community, not only are law enforcement officers, educators, jurists, elected officials, common folk, kings, journalists, or even retired, are contributing in many ways, not only to South Florida, but to this country. And most importantly, we never forget our relatives and our nation, Bakaya. And the last point I'll make on that issue, how we get along and fellowship with other Americans, other natives, people from all walks of life. So it's no secret or no surprise that Jamaica, the little island of the Caribbean, and say we little but we, no matter where you drop us, or no matter where we may go on this planet, we make an impact, a positive impact, and contribute to our local communities. And here in Miramar, it's no different, because Miramar is known to be one of the largest populations of Jamaicans outside of Jamaica. It is rumored that we have the 5th largest population outside of Jamaica, right here in Miramar. The 13th largest city in the state of Florida, 140,000 residents. And we live strong and we live proud. And on behalf of the city of Miramar, it is our pleasure to be able to bring cultural recognition to our community in observance of Independence Day. So at this time, I would like to recognize my colleagues who are present here, which, by the way, 4 of the 5 is either born in Jamaica or of Jamaican heritage. And that's a fact. So at this time, I would like to recognize and call forward our Vice Mayor, Yvette Colbourne, who is of Panamanian Jamaican heritage. Commissioner Maxwell Chambers, born in Jamaica. And I did not see him, he may not be present. Commissioner Winston Barnes, who served on our commission. And fellow Commissioner Darlene Riggs, who is of Haitian descent. So our commission is all Caribbean Americans, serving a very diverse community. At this time, I'll extend an opportunity for my colleagues to give special, brief independence greetings to all of our guests who are here this evening.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Happy Independence Day. Well, I won't keep you, but it's always great to see you here today. And it seems like today is even more special than always. It seems like we've doubled the crowd here. So this is awesome. Thank you all for coming and supporting everything here that we do in the city of Miramar. God bless. One love, one family.
Hello, the many people. We are one, right? Mr. Mayor, we need a big up venue. You gotta move this to a big up venue next time, right? Going. Now, I want to say, President, good afternoon, good evening to each and every one of you, and happy Emancipation Day. And we love you. Miramar is growing, getting stronger, and we're all together. Together we're going to stand. And I know Commissioner Bond is not here yet, and Commissioner Reese is not here, but we all stand together to support this community. So thank you so much, and continue with the blessing and the prayer coming. All right? And let's have a good time tonight. Thank you.
Before I briefly take my seat and come back a little bit later in the program, I would like to make this one note in regards to I received a message today that our colleague Winston Barnes actually was received an award, an Order of Merit from the country of Jamaica. I think it will be officially announced and awarded in October, so we did want to extend congratulations to our fellow commissioner for his lifetime work in journalism and his contributions to the community. As I take my seat, I always like to share my story, just briefly, because who's first time coming to the Emancipendence event here in Miramar, right? So about half of the individuals, all right? So I'm joined here at this table is my family, First Lady Angela Messam. Stand up. She's gonna be upset with me that I asked her to stand up, so she can stand up and say hello. I have my oldest sister, Dawn Messam, and a granddaughter. My next sister, just before me, Norma Messam. We had many fights growing up. But the reason why I mentioned that is because we grew up in a little small town just north of here in South Bay, Florida. That's in the heart of sugarcane country. My father was a contract sugarcane cutter. And he cut cane for many years. Hard labor. The work was so tough and so hard, natives here in Florida would not sign up to work there. But it was some tough conditions, nearly slavery type conditions. But after that, he found his way here in this country, immigrated to the United States. I was the firstborn here in America, myself and my younger brother. My older two sisters and my older brother, not here, were born in Manchester, Jamaica. Manchester, New York. But the thing is that I bring my story up because my father's life and his story and his hard work and dedication for family and love for God that allowed the 5 of his children to grow up is no different than each and every one of your lives and the values that you instill in your children or your people today, right? To know that no matter where we are, whether we're in Jamaica or in the US, Canada, UK, Korea, no matter where, that we come from a people of strength and of wisdom, intellect, and because we just have that natural born spirit that no matter where we are, we can accomplish. We don't need handouts, we're gonna work hard and we're gonna prove ourselves. So it's not a surprise to see the influence of Jamaicans all over the world. Yes. And I know other nations have just as much pride, have just as much intellect, have just as much drive, but I'm biased. I'm biased. Yeah. So, it is just an honor to know that in the city of Miramar, although we are beaming with so much pride and so much heritage and so much culture, in the city of Miramar, where we are a diverse community, we all live side by side. And everyone that has a Jamaican neighbor knows that if they run out of food, they can just jump over the gate, pick one banana, pick one pineapple, pick one mango. They have some food to eat from their neighbor, right? That's where you know you live by Jamaica. So on behalf of the city of Miramar, it's our honor to provide this cultural experience so that our children can know where their parents and where their parents' parents are from, and that we can keep the tradition and the culture and our history alive. So God bless you and enjoy the rest of the program.